You can now get bachelor's degree from London University in less than 2.5 lakhs. Watch this video to know how. I'm Megha Bansali, a commerce career coach, chart accountant and ACCA by qualification. So, a lot of us want to go outside India for our graduation, but it's very expensive. It costs about 30 to 40 lakhs just for the tuition fees, then your stay, accommodation, food, all of that gets onto a very expensive affair. So here's a hack how you can get a degree from London University while staying in India in less than 2.5 lakhs. If you're a 12th standard student and looking to get a degree from London University, then all you got to do is to enroll into the ACCA program, because ACCA is now integrated with London University and you can study both the qualification simultaneously and get ACCA degree and also a degree from London University. So steps are pretty simple, guys. You need to first be registered as an ACCA student. ACCA is a UK based chartered accountancy course, so you need to be pursuing that. That's the first criteria. Second criteria, ACCA has 13 papers. Out of the 13 papers, you need to complete 7 papers first. So 3 paper of your knowledge level and 4 paper at your skill level, which is your FR, law, tax and audit. So you need to be completing these 7 papers under your ACCA. Post that, you're eligible for enrolling into the London University program. So once you've completed the 7 papers, you have your student portal. You need to log into it. There is an English eligibility test. So you need to simply take that test, which I think most of you would be able to clear. It will be pretty simple, like IELTS kind of a test. So you have to take that test. Once you are clearing that test, and then you can register yourself for this program. We're going to be getting a degree from London University. So once you're registered into the program, you have to study 2 subjects. Now you can study them online also. So you can study these 2 subjects while staying back at your home in India. So you'll have to study performance management and financial management. So these are 2 papers at skill level which you do not have to write, and you will be studying them under the London University module. So once you study these 2 papers, you do not have to write them in your ACCA. So that's the benefit. There is no double examination. So you're saving time in your ACCA as well as your graduation's over with 2 subjects and 1 research work is what you need to submit. So once you've completed these 2 papers and a research work, then you're going to get a degree from London University, which is Bachelor's in Professional Accountancy from London University. It's a great opportunity for students who want to stay back in India and save cost but still get a degree from a renowned universities like London University. Then you're going to get dual qualification. You're going to get a professional degree from an ACCA, plus you're going to get a degree from London University. And it's also ideal for students who want to do their post graduation outside India, because a lot of Indian degrees are not valid outside India. So if you've done a bachelor's from London University, it's really going to add to a lot of value to your profile when you apply for an MBA or any other postgraduate program outside India. So it's beneficial for all these students. And guys, let's be real, not everyone can get into Delhi University or like a Christ University or something really great university. So you will have to find a good career alternative. This is a very good career alternative because London University is among the top 10 universities of the world. So you're getting a degree from that, which is highly valued in a lot of institutes, even in India. So this is what the program looks like, and it costs about 1.5 to 2.5 lakhs. The fee slightly varies depending on your entry level and a lot of other factors, but typically it will not cost you more than 2.5 lakhs. So you're getting a degree from London University in less than 2.5 lakhs, which is, trust me, a wow deal. If I was a 12th standard student and I had this opportunity, and of course the knowledge like you guys have, I would have definitely grabbed this opportunity. So guys, this is about how to go about getting a London University degree along with your ACCA qualification. In case you have any doubt, confusion, how to go about it, or you're not sure if this is the right option for you, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be very happy to guide each one of you personally. Here are my contact details. You can reach out to me and I will personally guide all of you. And guys, Please do share this with a friend who is a freak of going outside and studying outside India, because this is a very good opportunity for them. And do drop a comment below if you found the video to be useful. And please do not forget to share the video, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.